When using Business Central with Power BI, it will allow you to always have your data right at your fingertips. Inside of Business Central on my Role Center, I have a few different areas with Power BI reports. I have my business performance area on my screen where I can drill down, I can look at the data, and that's going to pull up my chart of accounts. It's going to analyze the data right inside of the system. I can also embed custom Power BI reports inside of my dashboard. You'll notice here I have some Power BI reports. I have some items being sold. I can drill down into the different areas of the dashboard and it will change all of the graphics throughout the screen right inside of my Business Central screen. I can also click the drop down. I can select a different report that I've uploaded. I can expand this report out to make it the size of my screen, and I can also use the Manage Report function. When I select Manage Report, I can open up this screen and I can make edits directly inside of Business Central for Power BI. If I needed to change some filters, if I wanted to change the look and feel of the visualization, I can do that right inside of Business Central. I no longer have to log out and go into a desktop app. I can do it right here inside of my screen. So here I can drill down, and again, it's going to change all of the graphics to be what I need. I can look at the items on hand by location. I can also, if I wanted to change it from edit mode into just view mode, I can change that here as well. But I also have the ability to look at my different tabs. So if I want to drill down and look at the different items, the different areas that I have inside of the system, I can click on any of these. I can drill down to expand. I can show the data points as a table. I can summarize my data as well. If we scroll up to the top, I still have all of the information that I want. The great thing about Business Central and Power BI is there is a full integration. So I have the ability to ask a question about my data. What is my top selling item? It will pull up the top selling item when I ask right inside of Power BI. There's also some visual interactions, again, that we can use. The nice thing about this, once you're inside of Business Central, if I needed to share this information out to somebody else across the organization, I can simply come in, I hit share, and I have the ability to share this report directly from Business Central out into a Teams channel or to a person. Other than having your reports right here on the dashboard, for when you log in, we also have reports that are going to be on your customer tab. So if we go look at the customer list, we can open up a customer record. So if we look at the School of Fine Art, we can scroll down, and underneath of the statistics tab, you'll notice I do also have a Power BI report here as well. So this is my aged AR for this specific customer. And again, it will give me the ability to drill down into each one of these and look at the data behind the actual number. Power BI with Business Central is putting all of the information at your fingertips and making it easy for anybody in the organization to access.